Hey, what is up guys, welcome back. So Realme launched their two cheapest smartphone, the Realme Narzo 10 and 10A. I also make a video on that two devices, you can check it out that video. But in this video we're talking about the upcoming two new mystery Realme smartphone. Visit Tina could be the X3 or the Realme X50 Youth. So in this video we're talking about these two devices, the upcoming new Realme mystery smartphone. But make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. So let's start this video. The plot continues to take in around Realme's seemingly never-ending stream of new devices. Last month, a creation Rmx2142 appeared on a Chinese certification authority Tina's websites. Now the very numerical similar Rmx2141 and Rmx2052 have joined its rank. There are more than a few similarities between these devices as listed by the Tina. All of them seems to have the exact same dimension of 163.8 multiplied by 75.8 by 8.9 millimeter, which coincidentally or rather not match up perfectly within the existing Realme X50 M5G. Same goes for the reported weight of the Rmx2142 and Rmx2052 at 192 grams, off by 2 grams from the Realme X50 5G and probably within margin of error. Interestingly enough, though, the Rmx2141 is listed as a noticeable heavier 202 grams devices. Go figure. The Rmx2141 and Rmx2142 are also explicitly marked as supporting CDMA 800 Hz, which is not for the case of the Rmx2052. After doing our best to make sense of it all, our guesses is that the Rmx2141 and Rmx2142 are two variants of the upcoming non-pro Realme X3, potentially meet of the different markets with slight variant as of the Rmx2052. Various other leaks suggest it will bear the X50 Youth moniker. All of these phones in practically terms appears to be entirely or close to entirely based on the Realme X50 M 5G. That include a Snapdragon 765G chipset, 6.57-inch 1080p by 2400 pixel IPS display, likely operating at 120 Hz, and vastly of not overly impressive camera setup. 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel camera and 2 megapixel depth on the back, and 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel depth on the front. We can probably expect to see the same 4200 mAh battery back across the whole lot as well. Now, when we saw the Realme situation as a constantly self-complicated on, we do mean it since these three devices don't appear to interest with the number of other upcoming Realme models, and not to be confused with the Realme X3 Super Zoom, which will be apparently offer an impressive periscope camera module and last year Snapdragon 855 plus chipset. We really hope this all fails in line and start making sense sooner rather than later. So guys, this is the upcoming mystery smartphone of the Realme. Let's see in upcoming days what new device Realme launch in the upcoming days. So hope you guys like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.